Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the limits as approach to negative number 1. So negative number 1 that should be in here. So the point this one that should be in here. Now we know that from here to here we have 2 units. So this is about negative number 2, negative number 4, and negative number 6 in here. So the point of this one, that's about a half between negative number 4 and negative number 6. So this one should be about negative number 5. As approach to number 0 that should be in here. And that's about negative number 6. Even though we don't have the value of this one because they approach from the left, from the right. So in this situation, we have negative number 6. The next one, number 1. On the left, we have negative number 5. On the right, we have positive number 2. So that means we don't have the limits of this one because on the left and on the right, they are not the same value in here. So we can write D and E does not exist. The last one, we have number 3. So they will go to the left and go to the right. So they will go to this point here. And that should be about number 10. So we put number 10 going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.